Hey, Harvey the Silver Fox here, letting you know you can make money sharing and watching videos on Facebook and the internet. Plus, launch your own viral lead generating system where others will do the promoting for you, generating leads on autopilot for all of your profit opportunities. No investment required. I will produce a video just like this one for you. For free, yes, put away your wallet. You will not need it. With your referral links in the description of your video. Okay, here's what you need to do to request your own video. Scroll down into the description of this video and find the Team Leaders Really Simple System referral link. Join Really Simple System for free. Really Simple System allows you to make money sharing videos on Facebook and throughout the internet. Now find your Team Leaders referral link for Ads Earn Bitcoin and join for free. Ads Earn Bitcoin allows you to make money watching videos. Those who join these two programs using your referral links are now a lead for your other profit opportunities. Yes, you will have your prospect's name and email address in your back offices to send your best profit opportunities to. You will also find your Team Leaders referral link that offers free advertising locations for your new video and your other profit opportunities. Once you have your referral links, click on the free viral lead generating marketing video, make money sharing and watching videos questionnaire link. When I have your free video produced, I will share it to several of my Facebook groups. So be ready to give your Facebook name in the questionnaire. Now you'll have your own custom viral lead generating marketing video you can use to also share throughout the internet. And yes, your marketing video will go viral, generating leads for all of your profit opportunities that you are working. Promoting your really simple system. And Ads Earn Bitcoin business. And yes, those you share your custom viral lead generating video with can also request their own free marketing video. But they must join your referral links before that can happen. Okay, you know what to do. Follow the arrow to find those programs and join, then complete the questionnaire.